Good morning, seventh grade. Mr. Jones here with Booker, who is clearly very excited to be here today to present the Stoop Award to Anaya. If you are going to achieve excellence in big things, you develop the habits in little matters. Excellence is not an exception, it is a prevailing attitude. Colin Powell. This week's Stoop Award winner is the embodiment of this quote. She can be seen every single day putting her very best self into the work at hand. No matter the task, big or small, Anaya always strives for excellence. It is clear through her silent stooping that she has her eye on the finish line of 7th grade and beyond. Each day, Anaya sets herself the challenging task of staying consistent, building strong academic habits, and striving for excellence through her work in and out of the classroom. Anaya, your consistency and willingness to perfect your daily habits have proven to the buyers community that you're an asset to us all. Your grades are always top of the class, your work is top tier, and your shareouts always challenge our critical thinking skills into a deeper level. Day after day, you make our community stronger just by simply showing up. Don't sleep on Anaya because there is greatness inside of her that is itching to show out. Anaya, on behalf of myself and all your 7th grade teachers, thank you for your hard efforts this year and being a student we know will accept the challenges at hand. Congratulations on this amazingly hard-earned award. Now can you please lead your Falcon family in a stoop? Congratulations once again.